2 billion Hindus worldwide have endured centuries of persecution, erasure of 56 ancient Hindu nations, and attack on our spiritual heritage. The United States of Kailasa, revived by the Supreme Pontiff of Hinduism, represents our unbroken sovereignty and the legacy of our ancestors. We are so close to justice. We need your signature today to urge the US government to recognize the United States of Kailasa. Every signature matters. Every signature moves us closer to preserving the Hindu culture and protecting our people from persecution. By signing your support, Hindu self-determination, religious freedom, and future-rooted dignity and peace. Stand with Kailasa today, honor our heritage, and help secure brighter tomorrow for Hindus worldwide.